Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Uniondale to near Mayfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Archbald, Blakely, Dixon City, Clifford, German, Forest City,